Hi guys, you're welcome again to another episode of Train the Giddy Way. So guys, today I'll be doing this style on the screen. You can see this is a rose. It's kind of stylish. It was wore on I tied it on a suit. So it was very stylish. So it's for you to know how to twist and how to arrange it properly. You can see one of the rows at the top and one at the side. So whichever way you want to adjust it, but let's get into it. Please, if you're a new subscriber, keep watching. There are a lot of style here to be learned, and you all know my physical class is coming. If you are in Lagos, don't miss this class, and it's just for 10 persons. So while the 10 persons are complete, I'll stop taking students till next year. So just go to my Instagram and read caption or chat me on WhatsApp for more details. Now let me confirm the length of this gele. That's what we normally do first. If you have been a fan of kiddie gele, that's what we do first. So you can see this is 75, second breast level. When it gets here 90, middle 60. So now this will be okay. What we just do, just share into two equal. Since we're going to be tying rows this side, you get me, you feel me, yo. So what we do, we have shared it. We pick. Now how did you share from the middle? It was folded equally, right? Folded equally. So what you do, you just take anywhere you take from here. As you open, it will be equal. Guys, it will be equal. So I'm gonna make some pleats. Make some pleats. Now I'm gonna leave little in case I want to cover the back of our head. But in case not, I can just fold it back. But for sake of that, so you bring it from the back and the person will hold. Get? Bring it from the back, the person will hold. Now first of all, what do? We arrange one side. One side of it here, 1, 2, see, very neat. So please always make sure it comes out neat. Always make sure it's neat. Always make sure. Let it be neat. Let it be neat. Rearrange this side also. Make sure it comes out neat. Make sure it comes out neat. And please always watch for makeup. So what I just did right there was wrong. It was too close to the grass. Always make sure it's always on the air line. Understand? On the air line. Don't go and say I saw Gide doing it this way. So you can see both sides. So put your two hands here. Put your hand here. Now you can arrange these ones this way. And these ones this way. And ladies and gentlemen, what do you see? Now some of you, if you want to twist, you twist like this. To now raise your gele. To raise your gele, which is wrong. Which is what? Wrong. Which is what? Wrong. Let me zoom in so that we can see properly. See? You twist like this, which is wrong. Now, when you want to twist, make sure this first of all is relaxing, and this side also is well placed. So that now, what do? Now, you raise it up from the middle. You take this one will be here. It's like you raise this one, then this one will go in like this, and this one will come here. So in that pattern, you can see it will go in smoothly. So this one this way, and this one this way. Now you want to create a rose. So you drag this one down to pin. Drag this one down to pin so that it will be firm and you will be able to create whatever you want to create. You get so you go stand and pick, then you go back up. Please, whenever you are doing your picking, don't forget to be having a physical class. Now that I've pinned, or I could just extend my pin this way, or you can pin twice. You go in, once you touch it, make sure you bring it back up. You can see. So now that I've done this, you see this thing now. What we do now? We spread it. Now we start turning the gele. Look at, I took everything from this side. from this side. Let me open it back so that we can see everything fully. So now it's like this. I'm going to turn everything like this. See, I'm going to turn everything like this, then start creating a pattern. Like I'm breaking the fan gently. Just watch, you see. Now start arranging it. Start arranging everything. Start trying to create plates. There, you see. You get, so you see, trying to create. Then you see, trying to arrange it. Then you keep going. Most times when I'm doing these things, I always move around, around, around it. Now you see this one. You see this one now. We arrange it under it. We arrange it under it. You arrange it to go under it. Yeah, arrange it to go under it. And as you're doing it, to make sure it is tight. You get, make sure it is tight. Make sure it is very, very, very tight, so that later we can just drag them together and to give you something like this. You see, give you something like this. You just pin. So you see, so now you now ask, what do we do with this one? This one now, see, make sure you just twist it very neatly. You can twist it very neatly and pin at the back. Hello, you pin it at the back, or you can use it and wrap it. See, you can use it and wrap it, or pin it at the back. So it's optional. You can use it and twist this thing. It will not show. We pin it at the back. Now see what we just achieved. We have achieved one side. We have achieved one side of the rose. All right, so turn. You can see this side is done. Now let's go over to here. You see the same way we did here. That's the same way we do here. We'll drag this one. We'll drag this one down and pin. Hello, we'll pin it. We'll pin it. Yeah, we'll pin again. See, this time very stylish and fine. Now we have pin. What do? We open our fabric and we start to turn. Again, we open our fabric, then we start to turn again. Just what people say, you hold it together. As you're turning, you're trying to create a fan. So you're turning, we start to create a fan. Oh, Jesus. So you start creating your fan as you're turning. Most times it's not easy, but you just have to try. Now that you have built the other one, it's not be looking stressful. But just to give it your best. So like that. Go. The idea of it is to give you that rosy shape. The idea of it is giving you that rosy shape. So you start nurturing it. When you have been able to pack it one side, you start to nurture it. You just give it that rosy shape. Understand? So you just keep breaking. Now you keep arranging. Now here we have to see take it up here. Even it's forming difficult. We have to see take it down. I mean to say. See? So now it's not looking difficult than the other one. So what you understand, like I always say, whenever you are doing anything two-sided, one side of the hand that is not always your support hand is always, it always tends to be difficult. Yeah, I don't know if you have noticed. It always tends to be difficult. If you see I did that side, it is. But since I'm doing a two-sided rose, one side, so you see, hit this one now. Wrap. So the way we wrap it now, wrap it very well, then we'll pass it under. As I said, you see that you pass it under, you pass it under. Pass it under. Look at open here. Please guys, if you have been learning GèLè online and you're not getting it, wherever you are, just look for a look for a physical class and attend. Be it a week or 2 weeks, just try and attend. So now the thing is, I will have to shift this thing very well inside so that I can dress this properly. Okay, so you dress your fan properly. You pin where it needs to be pinned. You understand? Pin where it needs to be pinned. Yes, pin where it needs to be pinned. So this is it. And if I don't want this to show that much, I will kind of take this or pin this. These are easy style, but if you're not getting it, don't be hard on yourself. Just look for any nearby location where you know the person is good to teach and take at least 1 week class. Then you will understand everything better. Your hands, what you just need is just the basics. You understand? Just the basic. So now you see the way it is. Okay, see this side is the prominent. Let me wrap it properly. So now you see, all you just need is just the basics. You can see now she's gonna hold her ears. Hold your 2 ears. Now you can decide to move it this way. You can just decide, okay, let me move it one this side. You can see. So you decide how you want to rock it. So guys, that's train the giveaway on today's episode. And trust me guys, if you want any of this video on your phone, just send a DM. There's a price for it, you pay, and it will be sent to you. Thank you. See you on my next episode, and keep watching and keep sharing the giveaway.